Hello, it's Alan here at Freshlook Property Services. So today we're in a recent bathroom renovation. It's been converted into a wet room. So it was once a bathroom, but it's all been ripped out, fresh plumbing throughout, so all new pipework in copper as we do with each of our bathroom projects. Full electric, so we've got spotlights in the ceiling, a new extractor fan and isolator. Behind me we've got a powerful new shower. So you've got two different heads, you've got the one above you as well as the one with the hose attachment, which are both controlled from the wall-mounted chrome panel. We've got a sit-down seat, so you can sit down whilst you're having a shower. And obviously it's a full wet room, so the whole thing's been tiled. It's got electric underfloor heating, so the clients can enjoy coming in here and having a nice radiating heat coming up from the tiled floor beneath them. So we've got chrome fixtures and fittings and chrome tile trim throughout, including a chrome heated towel rail, which is wall mounted and plumbed in to their central heated system. We've got some nice modern, ultra stylish, clean and trendy white and grey marble tiles all the way through. So it's a nice shiny porcelain, so it's easy to keep clean. And we've got a dark grey grout which contrasts it and ties everything in perfectly. So the walls have been painted in a sage green from the mid-height up to the top. So that's a nice mellow green that sits perfectly alongside the grey and the white colour scheme throughout. So the clients have opted to go for a white double width vanity unit, so you've got a good sized basin, plenty of space to brush your teeth, wash your hands and leave all your toiletries here, as well as the storage underneath. So of course, if you'd like to have something similar for yourself in your own home, then we'd love to hear from you. In order to get in touch, simply pop us an email over to hello@freshlookpropertyservices.com or reach out through social media and drop us a DM. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.